Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a really fun and practical Power BI tutorial for you. We're diving into how to add emojis and special symbols directly into your Power BI reports and dashboards. This is a fantastic way to make your data pop, add personality to your insights, and just generally make things a whole lot more engaging for your audience. By the end of this video, you'll have a couple of easy techniques up your sleeve for spicing up your Power BI visuals, whether you want to highlight key measures, add visual cues, or simply make your reports more fun and modern looking. So let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with the quickest and most straightforward way to add an emoji or symbol right into your visuals. First, go to your Power BI report and add a text box. That's usually up in the ribbon at the top, or you might already have one on your page. Once you've got your text box, click inside it so your cursor is blinking, just like you would if you were getting ready to type. Now, here's the trick. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. That's Windows plus the dot. This keyboard shortcut brings up the emoji picker panel right there. No need for any extra software or copying and pasting. It works pretty much everywhere in Windows, and Power BI is no exception. You'll see a bunch of emojis, symbols, and even K-emoji appear. Scroll through the options or use the search bar if you have something specific in mind. Maybe you want a green checkmark, a colorful arrow, or just a classic smiley face. Once you find the one you want, just click it and it'll pop straight into your text box. If you want your emoji to really stand out, maybe make it the headline or draw attention to a key metric. Just select the emoji in your text box and bump up the font size using the controls at the top of the text box editor. Making it bigger helps your symbol or emoji grab attention, almost like a mini visual aid right there on your report. You can play with color and alignment too, just like regular text. Now that's great for static text boxes, but what if you want to incorporate emojis dynamically? Maybe you want to tag certain cards or include a symbol in a measure that changes as your data does. Good news. You can actually use emojis inside measures. Here's how. Right-click on any table in your fields pane that you want to work with and select New Measure. This is where you'll write a simple DAX formula, but stick with me, it's really easy for this one. Let's name the measure something obvious, like emoji. In the formula bar, type this, emoji equals, and then once again press the Windows key and the dot at the same time. That emoji selector will appear again, and now you can pick any emoji or symbol you like. When you choose one, it'll appear in quotes, just like you're entering a bit of text. Once you've got your emoji sitting in those quote marks, press Enter to save the measure. Now, to use it visually, click on the card visual in your visualizations pane. Then just drag your new emoji measure onto the card. Instantly, your emoji will display as a visual element. It works exactly like any measure, but now with a touch of personality. This is so handy for dashboards where you want visual cues, like a thumbs up for on-target metrics or a simple traffic light for status indicators. And remember, you can combine emojis with regular text or even fancy DAX expressions if you want to get even more creative down the road. That's really all there is to it. Adding emojis and symbols in Power BI is a small step that can make your dashboards clearer, friendlier, and more interactive. Don't worry if it feels strange the first time. Once you start, you'll find all sorts of fun and useful ways to use this trick. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. It really does help the channel. Got questions or ideas for future Power BI topics? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you all. And if you want more easy-to-follow, hands-on tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.